Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on August 26, 2020. U.S. unveils an environmental plan. U.S. Senate Democrats unveiled a plan to tackle climate change. It requires the U.S. government to spend more than $400 billion a year to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 2050. It's aimed to create at least 10 million jobs in areas such as clean energy production and research and development of new technologies. The Trump administration has downplayed the risks of climate change and cut regulations on fossil fuels. The plan proposed by Senate Democrats also calls for reform of lobbying laws to reduce the influence of these industries. NZX exchange are under attack. Operator NZX Ltd said on Wednesday that trading on the New Zealand Stock Exchange halted for hours after what appears to be the second offshore cyber attack in so many days. The exchange said the cyber attack was similar to a previous attack when its network provider faced a DDoS attack. The NZX reported that trading in the cash market was stopped at 11:24 a.m. local time on Wednesday and resumed at 3 p.m. Trading in the last hour of Tuesday also suffered. COVID-19 vaccine from Russia. Kazakhstan signed an agreement to supply the first potential vaccine against COVID-19 in Russia. The vaccine, named Sputnik V after the world's first satellite launched by the Soviet Union, has been declared safe and effective by Russian authorities and scientists after 2 months of human trials. Western expert opinions were more skeptical, cautioning against its use until all approved international testing standards have been adopted. India's new records on COVID-19 cases. More than 60,000 cases of the novel coronavirus have been reported in the country for the 8th day in a row. The total number of cases exceeded 3.2 million, 1.5 million, bringing the total in India to about 3.1 million, more than the United States and Brazil. Since the beginning of August, infections have increased by another 1.5 million, bringing the total in India to about 3.1 million, more than the United States and Brazil. According to the Federal Ministry of Health, the number of new cases in the country is growing rapidly, having increased by 60,975 in the last 24 hours. Salesforce's shares jumped after including in DO. On Tuesday, American cloud-based software company Salesforce.com Inc. became the first firm in this industry which was included into the Dow Jones Industrial Indices average. The San Francisco company's shares jumped 3.6% on Tuesday's close to a record high of $216.05 following an announcement from S&P Dow Jones Indices that the stock would replace ExxonMobil Corp on the Dow at the end of the month. Moreover, Salesforce's stocks added another 13% in after-hours trading as the company unveiled strong financial results for the second quarter, showing that it had collected $5 billion in quarterly revenue for the first time.